In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Monarch Money account permanently. It's a straightforward process, but it's important to follow each step carefully to ensure your account is removed completely. Whether you're moving to a different service or just want to simplify your financial management tools, this guide will help you through the process from start to finish. Let's begin by heading over to the Monarch Money website. Once you're on the home page and logged in, navigate to the settings option. You can find this in the upper left corner of the web page. This is where you control all your account preferences and personal settings. After clicking on settings, you'll want to locate the billing section. This part of the website holds information about your subscription and payment details. It's necessary to first handle the subscription aspect before proceeding to account deletion, ensuring that your subscription is properly canceled to avoid any further charges. Once you're in the billing area, look for the option that says Manage Subscription. Clicking on this will provide you with various options related to your current payment plan and subscription details. Here, you will find the option to cancel your subscription. It's crucial to click Cancel Subscription to ensure that your membership is not renewed and you won't be billed further. With your subscription now canceled, we can move to the next step. Go back to your settings and find the Security tab. This is another vital section where you'll manage your account safety and finalization details. Deleting your account will remove all your financial data and account details from the Monarch Money servers, so make sure this is indeed your desired action. Inside the security settings, you will notice an option labeled Delete Account. Clicking on this option is the final step in closing down your Monarch Money account permanently. Keep in mind that once you hit that delete button, all the data associated with your account will be lost and the action cannot be reversed. Make sure that you have saved or exported any needed information before taking this step. Before we conclude, it's always a good practice to double check that you've received confirmation of your account deletion. This often comes in the form of an email or an on-screen message. If you don't see immediate confirmation, check your spam or junk email folders just as a precaution. And there you have it. Your Monarch Money account should now be completely removed from their system. If you encounter any issues during this process, reaching out to their customer support may provide additional assistance. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide made the task easy and straightforward for you. Be sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.